Ruben shooting bullseyes over here, holes and holes. Wow, you're just making that bullseye bigger. You're doing really good. I can tell you have a big smile on your face. Watch your thumb. Your support thumb, yeah.
Oh, wow. Destroy it, man.
You're just shooting through a hole. He's just shooting through a hole. Oh my God. Yeah, you're done. He's done. Lesson's over for Ruben. He's learning what he needs.
Bigger.
Oh my God. I'm loving it. Wow, Ruben! Ruben! Sharpshooter? Are you a sharpshooter over here?
I didn't know I was a sharpshooter until now.
Yeah. Oh my God. Look, come on. You know what you did. Look at this. What the heck is this? What is this? What? All 10 shots, touching, making this hole bigger. You see the power of the fundamentals now? Yeah. You got it now. You got it.
Good teacher.
Excellent student, my man. You got it. Wow. Look at that. That's how your target should be at 5 yards. Right here.
Nice.
What the heck? We have just the same. Aces. Holes and holes. Beautiful. Oh my God. Holes and holes. Not bad. You're doing good, Andrew. Beautiful. Yep, take a break. Finger off the trigger, please. There you go. He's doing very good. Yep, shake it loose, reset. Free your mind. Take your time. Nice. Yes. All right, tap and rack. Tap and rack it. Tap it. Yep. Rack it. And you're done. Take the magazine out. Wow! Look at this. Woo!
Almost there.
Almost. Hey, still good.
Yeah,
Still
twice.
good. All there. All there. Right. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you got 5 on the out. You got 5 here.
Yes.
And you got 5.
5 there.
Oh. Very good, Andrew.
Right here.
Both of you. Amazing. Amazing. Look at that. You guys got it.
Again, same. He got it. He got it. Yep. Oh my God, he was so quick.
show off. He's trying to impress everyone at the range. It's too easy. It's too easy. It's no longer a challenge. Wow, Ruben. Ruben, who do you think you are? Who do you think you are?
Not bad for a new guy.
Not bad. Excellent. Look at iron sights.
Yeah.
You didn't think you could do better than this with iron sights, and then with red dot, it's even smaller hole.
Yeah, just around.
It's even, yeah, just a bullseye circle. Look at that. Oh my God, Ruben. I'm so proud of you.
That, huh?
Good job. Good job.